Here's a quick and simple guide on how to fix a temporarily locked PayPal account. First, go to paypal.com and click Login. Enter your email and password. If PayPal says your account is temporarily locked, it usually means there were too many incorrect login attempts. In most cases, PayPal unlocks the account automatically after about 1 hour. During this time, don't try logging in repeatedly. It will extend the lock. To keep your account secure, change your password once the lock resets. Click your profile icon, Settings, Login, and Security, and then Password. Create a new strong password you haven't used before. If the account is still locked or you cannot wait, scroll down to the bottom of PayPal and select Contact Us. Choose Message Us or Call Us. Explain that your account is temporarily locked and that you need help restoring access. PayPal may ask for identity verification, such as confirming recent activity or uploading a document. If you're using the Message Center, select Other, then briefly describe the problem. Tell them your account was locked and you need it reviewed. Support usually responds within 24 hours. And that's it. That's how to fix a temporarily locked PayPal account in 2026.